tutorial show you how I want the item to be done. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to supply it with the list of wordings. So I'm going to show you how to put them on the t-shirt. So right now I'm going to pick the word candle making. Go ahead and I write got candle making. Now I don't really, you would need to you would need to modify it so it wouldn't be too wide on the shirt. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. That way it doesn't look too wide over here. Also make sure when you do the item, it's not too low or too up. Try to make it right here where it's in the middle. After you're done, you go ahead and save it. Then we're gonna go next to the next item. Now let's choose chest. When you have another word that's less wording, like this one got chest, then you would have to go ahead and resize the item. So right now we have it at 72. I'm gonna put 85, and that way it looks bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So then you go ahead to the next one. Let's say I choose dumpster diving. So you go back here, dumpster diving. I'm going to go ahead and resize the wording again. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 72, a little bit smaller, and there. So because the wording is longer, I'm going to resize it. So every time I choose a different word, depends how long the word is, it's going to be resized. So please make sure you resize every time you change wordings. Don't stay with the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another example. Let's say I pick kite. I'll go back, kite, and I'm going to go ahead and resize it because it's smaller, so I want it to look a little bit bigger on the shirt. Let me make that 85. And I go ahead and save it. And that's it. So please make sure you resize every time you write the wording, and make sure it's not too low or too high. Please make sure it's around the middle of it, and then go ahead and resize the image every time you write a wording. Just make sure you resize it where it's not too wide on the side, like I showed you already. Thank you.